Before I start the demonstration, I would like to show you what I used for the wiring and labeling of this painting. The rings were already inserted, and it's this model. I buy them from Amazon and they sell it by 50 or 100, and it comes together with the screws, so it's quite practical. Then the wire is from the hardware store, and it's polypropylene rope, and it comes in a 10 meters roll. Then I used a shrink tube for stopping the knots here, and usually you buy it in a 1 meter length, which you can cut to the needed size. So you need also scissors and a lighter for the shrink tubes to make it shrink. Be careful with this in the studio. Then the label was applied with matte medium using a catalyst wedge. You can also use a credit card or plastic card, it works very well. And for the signature, acrylic marker, whatever brand, I like to use one of the colors from the painting. So in this case, I use this turquoise, but any brand works very fine. So that's it, now let's go to the demo. Here we are. I can remove all the labels, reference of the frame, reference of the painting, name of the painting, which has changed a bit in the meantime. Now I will attach the wire. Yes, got it correct. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's doing this quite nice knot. And then I'm inserting, I forgot how to call this, electric something. It's a shrinking plastic, which is used for isolating electric cables. And I will do my second knot, above, under, and inside. Tight. Yes, that's it, perfect. Again 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's too long to my taste. Burning again. And here I will shrink this plastic. Being careful to be really fast to not burn the rope, which is synthetic, so it would definitely burn. Clean this after. I'm using just alcohol from the hardware store. Will stick this label where are all the information regarding this painting. I will use some matte medium. Wired, labeled, ready to hang. Let's try it on the painting wall.